Welcome to Conga Composer, the dynamic document generation software that allows you to create any business-critical documents anywhere with data from everywhere. Automatically pull customers and product data right from your CRM or system of record. Use your latest logos and branding and create beautifully composed documents. Composer is simple to set up. Using our template editor, easily fill in the appropriate text for your template and then insert merge fields that can pull the right data, images, logos, charts, and any other fields you need directly into your document. Remember, Conga Composer can receive data from anywhere. Next up, simply embed Conga Composer wherever you need. Want to insert your form or document right into your portal or website? You can do that. Here we see a standard form for information on your company website. The end user then inserts their relevant information on your form. Hit submit, and within seconds, all those fields are automatically merged into a branded contract that the end user can sign. Once signed, all that data is automatically sent back to your system of record. It's that easy. No matter where you embed Conga Composer, you'll always get a beautifully composed document with all the right data and information automatically populated on a pixel-perfect document with the right branding and messaging, generated in seconds. Don't know where to start? That's okay. Use our template library of our pre-built templates of the most popular revenue-critical documents. Automatically generate error-free, on-brand documents, anywhere, anytime. Book a demo today